What up? It's Slacker Scott.
Not lazy, not cheap, efficient and thrifty.
And this is how to save $5,000 and gooseneck your bumper pool trailer for your tiny house. One of my favorite parts in this tiny house design, I haven't seen anyone else do it, is I built out over the tongue of the trailer and then kind of goosenecked it. When I was shopping around for trailers, I really wanted a gooseneck trailer. Cost-wise, it was a whole lot more expensive to buy a gooseneck than a bumper pool, but I really wanted that gooseneck spot for that master bedroom platform. So what I did was I've seen people that have built out over the tongue and they use the slope of the tongue to guide the build. So that way when they're towing it, their bumper pool car, they're not gonna jackknife and hit the house. But I've never seen someone do that and then build up higher like a gooseneck where it would clear the back of the trailer bed. So on my build, it's about 2.5 feet to the bumper and then another 3 feet to the trailer. So it's about 5.5 feet of clearance there. So when it's hooked up to a regular truck, the master bedroom part up here will sit above the truck bed, and there's nothing up there similar to a gooseneck to get in the way, and so it'll just pivot and move free and easy there. And the bottom part we use for storage, but since it's with the slope of the trailer, you don't have to worry about jackknifing and messing up the building. So it's a unique idea that I came up with for this build, and I'm really excited to see it fully once we tow it eventually. But it gave so much more space to the build and gave me that master bedroom space where we could stand up, which is really important. So I'll show you that. It's built out really robust with tons of 2x6s, so that way it can support that extra weight. That's my very favorite thing, and we'll see how it works. Because you save money because you don't have to pay for the more expensive trailer, and you also get a lot of this extra space. It's an extra 5 feet up here that I was able to do. This is the gooseneck, fake gooseneck part of the trailer. Up here is going to be the master bedroom, sort of. So the actual queen bed will sit up here. So they'll come out a little bit further here, and then you'll have all this space here for hang your clothes, maybe put like a little chair, a little folding desk. But it's going to be kind of tucked away where it's a little bit private, because I wanted to have a little bit of space in between the rooms, where it is one big room, but also you have some privacy. The supports are bolted to the trailer, and they drill through the trailer, and then you use non-slip washers to anchor everything to the bolts there. And I did a header on each side so that I could put a door in, so I could access the underneath part for storage later. And then this part I decided to frame out very robustly. So it's all 2x6s. I actually framed it out 3 inches narrower than it needed to be, so I could add an extra set of 2x6s all the way around. So the whole exterior of this is double 2x6s. And then for the very first beam, it's just one 2x6. For this next one, since it's going to be cantilevering out to the edges, I did 2 2x6s, another 2 here. And for this one, it has the most cantilever, and it's on the very edge of where the supports are underneath. I did 3 2x6s just to really make it robust. And I walked all around it. It has no signs of flex or give, and so it feels very sturdy. I'm really happy and excited about it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below and I will definitely get back to them. Me and Charles are hanging out here in the gooseneck part of our tiny home. So if you try to gooseneck your own, let me know. It's definitely a great way to get some extra square footage and save a bit of money on the trailer for sure. So like and subscribe. We got a lot of cool videos coming down the pipeline, like DIY concrete countertops without any molds or forms, and 2x4 cabinets, a tiny house design for introverts, all sorts of cool things. So take it easy.